So welcome back to my channel friends. Today I am talking about a new token like a MetaWord. So friends, everybody know that cryptocurrency is a huge business in the world. Everybody know that in the starting Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin has a very low price like a $3 to $4. But these days in these tokens are a very high price like $3,800. Today, those I am talking about you one new token who give you a profit in a future. So friends, before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. First of all, friends, I reviewed about the website of MetaWord. First of all, I go to MetaWord website. In this website, first look you now on the up you see MetaWord app. In the down you see the next multi-chain launched in the metaverse. This website first time launched in PancakeSwap to date 12/22/21 means join pre-sale. So friends, the pre-sale of this website are available now. To join this, I all the method described at the end. Please watch the video complete so I detail give you to join these websites. First of all, I detail you our mission to deliver our MetaWord token holder fair safe. You read all these missions I give you are linked in a description. First of all, I give you important information about it. MetaWord tokens. This portion is now complete detail of this token. In the down tiered system, in this portion you now see three portions like gold, platinum and diamond. In gold portion you see white list requirement 250 2 lakh 100 MetaWords granted allocation. In the second portion platinum, in this portion you see that whitelist requirement 5 lakh MetaWords granted allocations left airward. And the third portion is diamond. In this whitelist requirement is 110 lakh MetaWord granted allocation left airdrop VIP group. In the down you see a token mix. These portions give you a detail about a token supply of MetaWord. You see that token supplies, I give you a link in a description. You see that in the down you see pre-sale and liquidity 50% and ecosystem is equal to 35%, private sale 5%, team 5%, marketing 5%. And in the down roadmap phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. And in the down you see that team and patterns. These all the webs are patterns to MetaWord token. In this you see a famous wallet, Binance Smart Chain, Pink Scale and other. And in the down you see social medias. In these link you join and ask every question to about MetaWord. And at the end I tell you about how to join pre-sale. I give you a complete detail. Please, before I give you a complete detail, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so I give you more videos like cryptocurrency. So I click the pre-sale show in the down join pre-sale. I click. After clicking pre-sale, I loaded the website's icon. After those, the look of the website is like that. You see on the upper pink scale that is a wallet. First of all, so friends, you connect the wallet with the pink scale. I mark that connect, select connect after you select your wallet. Here I select my wallet meta task. You see anyone like a trust wallet, wallet connect, token pocket, math wallet, safe pulp wallet. And I collect install MetaMask and you connect with it. After connecting you read that all the information given in a meta text. Please say I'll give you this website link. You see that After this, in down you say pre-sale address and token name metaword, token symbol metaword, token decimal 9, and token address is that. You copy and send this money to this link. But I give you all detail how to join pre-sale I tell later. Please watch complete video. Total supply is that, total for pre-sale is that, total for liquidity is that. 1 BNB is equal to that. So friends, you see all the informations here. First of all, I tell you how to join pre-sale. After connecting the wallet, here you see the time, the when the pre-sale start in is equal to 10 hours 54 minutes 42 seconds. To join and buy the amounts, first of all you select amount. When you select amount, so max, select max. This amount is show in your wallet like a meta task. For buying token is necessary you to available in a whitelist. For joining whitelist, go to website and select this portion. On the up and you select a whitelist portion. I see you in that. Here you see join pre-sale. In the down you see a win a whitelist spot, only 500 spots available. Click here and join into a whitelist for buying a MetaWord token. The MetaWord token released international in a pancake swap. I already told this. For buying, go to this meta pre-sale website and here you confirm your price and buy. You can buy this after this time and gain profit from it. In this video I tell all details about MetaTask. I hope you understand, and please subscribe my channel for more videos about cryptocurrency. At the end friends, I say that please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. So friends, I tell you about a cryptocurrency, how to earn money on cryptocurrency, how to invest in cryptocurrency, about a new token like a MetaWord and other new. For I say you the new token to you invest and gain many profit like a Bitcoin. In the starting many people gain many profits. So friends, today I say goodbye and please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.